Guys, it's your favorite girl Wantor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make popcorn at home. Not just popcorn but milky popcorn with just a few items, and I hope that this vlog is going to be insightful. So the first thing you need is a non-stick pan, and then you also need the mess. It's a species of popcorn. You need butter, you need sugar, you need milk and water. This is going to aid the process. So I literally changed my mind and used this pot instead because the corn I picked is going to be a lot more. So I'm going to first of all add my water. I put the pot on fire for a long time, so I'm gonna add my water and then move on to, I'll let it simmer and then I'll add my butter and just allow it to melt. Now that the butter has simmered enough, I'm going to add my sugar, my cubes of sugar, and just allow it to melt in the solution. At this point, you can actually add a pinch of salt, but I do not add salt for this particular process. But mind you, you can add salt. So it's now time for me to add my Z-mess into the solution. I pour the Z-mess and try to mix it with the solution and just allow everything to soak in. Then I stir till I am very satisfied. I stir till everything has soaked in properly, and I see the need to finally cover it with my lid cover. So basically, this is how to make milky popcorn at home. Very easy and efficient style. Trust me, you can popcorn at home. And if this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye.